welcome Mr. Dharmendra Dhari, who holds the position of skipper at Blooms India Incorporation, where he serves as an discerning and driven leader in the architectural products, specializing in roofing and facade solutions. Renowned for his visionary approach to strategy, Mr. Dhari possesses a meticulous attention to detail. Illustrious career is marked by a demonstrated ability to manage diverse solutions, seamlessly blending artistic creativity with technical proficiency to consistently driving outstanding results. Currently, he is actively involved in import trading, manufacturing, and contracting endeavors. Mr. Dhari will talk on technological advancements in roofing and sustainable roofing options. So let's welcome Mr. Dhari.
Before talking to recent trends and technological advancements, I would like to talk first how roofing evolves since ages. What are the roofing options? Then I will talk about sustainable roofing systems and recent developments in roofing. 50,000 years ago, made up of a skin of mammoth in Siberia. After that, 3000 before BC, the clay roof tiles has been evolved. And after that, during Industrial Revolution 200 years ago, we got the chance to have different kinds of materials. Earlier, it was mostly used natural only, natural materials like mud, wood, or vegetable extracts, or even animal skin. After that, there are advancements. Then industrial revolution happens. After reinforced concrete material came, then steel. After introduction of steel, lots of advancements happens. Then 100 years ago, like synthetic materials started coming in, like asphalt. Then we talk about sustainability started coming, and now we are talking about nanomaterials and 3D print. Now, what are the different options in roofing materials? It varies as per the requirement of the buildings. So it could be roof design, the pitch of the roof, prefab versus concrete structure, different kinds of roofs we can suggest. It is residential, villa or farmhouse, commercial, mall or resort, airport or train stations, industrial or warehousing. I have just documented few of the materials currently on Earth. It could be concrete roof tile or corrugated cement sheets. It could be any kind of metal. It could be GI, galvanum, aluminum, zinc, copper, gold. Like our Bilwa Museum is done by titanium roof. Puff panels, very much popular in India. Stone coated metal tiles, asphalt shingles, corrugated bitumen sheets, UPVC roofing, polycarbonate sheets in both solid and multi-wall form, tensile fabrics, very good for infrastructure projects, clay roof tiles, thatch roofing, solar tiles, and one advancement, solar integrated tiles. I will talk more about this. Retractable roof, digital printed tiles, and even the green roof. So what is the sustainable roofing and how we achieve this? So by procuring the products which is made up of recycled materials, so that the virgin material requirement will be lesser, or or uh, or if it is a virgin, then can be recycled. And these materials have a long lifespan, maybe 50 years or more, which help us to reduce the need for frequent replacement of the tiles or roof, and leaving less carbon footprint material. These technological advancements in roofing material and techniques have led to improvements in durability of the roof, energy efficiency. So like heat transfer in the roof is lesser, and ace in installation also by if we are using BIM mechanism for which helps in designing at first. So advanced composite materials can be used. Nano coatings can be used for better UV protection. Cool roof coatings for a better heat insulation. Solar integrated tiles, so that double layer of roofing is not required, a single layer only. We have both functional roof as well as solar system. Uh, these days, 3D printing, we can make a full house also, or 3D printing tiles also available. Even self-adhesive membranes are there, which is very good for waterproofing as well as heat insulation. Thermoplastic roofing is also nowadays very popular, like UPVC materials. So currently we are doing these very interesting solar integrated tiles in clay roof tile. So this can be easily installed. This is plug and play system. So we just integrate one onto other, and it goes to the inverter, and we can start with the electricity produce solar both at it so that if there is a sunny day, we can enjoy it, or if it is rainy season, we can cover it. Even same, you can do this to your swimming pools or any outdoor, whenever you want to do, just like your car sunroof, whenever you want to open or close, we can do the same thing in this. And any kind of retractable roofing is possible, either it is on your terrace or it could be a mega structure like a street. So we have a different and options, and you don't need to paint it or anything. It will look like same as thanks a lot.
So thank you, Mr. Dhari, for highlighting the technological advancements in roofing.